Hi, this is Trent. I'm a resident in Arizona. I had a question about something that I came across last week and I've never heard of before. It's in regards to 401ks and 403bs. There's an IRS rule about annual compensation limits that's noted to be $285,000 for 2020. I read a couple of IRS explanations online and I did some Googling, but I still don't really understand what it means. As a resident, this doesn't apply to my current financial situation, but I was wondering if you could give an explanation what this rule really means in plain English. Can you also give an example of when it would apply? Thanks so much.
Okay, I like this question. This is a figure that gets thrown around out there all the time. It's the maximum compensation that can be used to calculate how much goes into your retirement accounts. And right now it's in the $285,000 to $290,000 limit. It goes up each year with inflation. But basically that's what it comes down to. And what is that limit really? That limit is $58,000 times 5. That's what it is. And so it works out to be, $290,000 starting in 2021 and $5,000 less in 2020. And that's all it comes down to. And the reason why it comes down to that is basically you got to be able to put in 20% of what your earned income is in order to max out that $58,000 contribution. So it's not something you have to spend a lot of time worrying about. There really is no big benefit to paying yourself a salary bigger than that if you can justify having a salary lower. This is for those who are doing S corporations so they can split their income between salary and distributions. Ideally, there's no real point to getting your salary much higher than this as far as trying to get more money into a retirement account. You're just ending up paying more in Medicare taxes by doing that. So I suppose that's one way that you could take a look at it. The exception, of course, is the 199A distribution. If you need to get more money into your payroll in order to not be limited by that 50% of payroll limitation on the 199A deduction, then you might want to pay yourself a little bit more salary. That's why I pay myself more salary here at the White Coat Investor. But we have a pretty specific reason to do that doesn't necessarily apply to most physicians. If you want your questions answered by the White Coat Investor, record your question at whitecoatinvestor.com/YQA or click the link in the description.